Welcome to a GrabCAD Print Pro tutorial. The assembly function allows for creating tight arrangements of parts for more efficient build volumes, optimizing support structures, and creating part arrays across a platform. Here we see the bounding box of a duplicated part at an angle. Typically, GrabCAD Print does not allow printing of parts that intersect with others on the print platform. In this example, 6 total supported parts can be printed without intersecting. Creating an assembly between these parts will allow for the total output to be doubled to 12 parts in the same print job. Select both parts, right-click, and select Assemble. Grouped parts can be disassembled at any time, but orientation may be lost. Here, we see the final grouping of 12 parts with supports to increase build volume usage. Parts may also be nested and assembled for using the Array tool. Using the Array tool with separate models does not allow for part duplication. Select both models and assemble before using the Array tool to maximize build volume efficiency. The array can be generated after assembly along with supports for optimized print preparation.